have been seeing all over my For You page Japanese cheesecake. Well, I don't have Biscoff cookies, but I have graham crackers. So I'm going to make it. They only use yogurt and the cookies, but let's spice it up a little bit. I have some zero sugar Jello cheesecake mix and some strawberries. So we're going to make us a Japanese strawberry cheesecake. Let's try it. I've got my dish here. I don't think I'm going to use all of my yogurt because I don't know how it's going to taste. So we'll wing it. We're going to wing it. I'm also going to add some of my Orgain protein powder. It's made it a fluffy texture, which is nice. It was vanilla flavored protein powder, just so you know. But let's give it a little. Yeah. I think I could add a little bit more cheesecake. I guess I'm going to break up the graham crackers into the little rectangles and stick them in. And then we'll cut up some strawberries and add those on top. Okay, and I'm just going to take the strawberries, sprinkle them, and I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and we'll be back tomorrow we'll see how it tastes. Okay guys, it's time to try our Japanese strawberry cheesecake. This is what it looks like. It's time to taste it. I probably should have mixed the strawberries in with the yogurt mixture, but we'll do that next time. It's good. Maybe I would leave out the protein powder because it's like a gritty texture, or just like mix it up better. But it's good, guys. Let me know if you give it a try.